Hello, and welcome to Delta Tech's ABSS video tutorial series. In this video, we will be taking you through the process of installing ABSS Payroll. Please do take a moment to watch our pre-installation checklist tutorial. The pre-installation checklist tutorial will help you check that the computer you are installing on meet the requirements for installing ABSS Payroll. You can find a link to the pre-installation video tutorial in the description below. To start installing, insert the CD into your CD drive. The ABSS Payroll Setup program should start up. If the setup program does not start up, then go to your Windows Explorer. Select your CD or DVD drive, then double-click on the Payroll Setup .exe file. On the other hand, if you are installing from a file that you downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Select the file, then right-click and click on Extract All. After the file has been extracted, double-click on the folder that was created to open it. Then, double-click on the setup file to start the installation. You should now see the ABSS Payroll Setup Welcome screen. Click on Next. In the next screen, you will be shown the ABSS Payroll End User License Agreement. You must accept this agreement to continue with installation. Notice that the Next button is disabled. You will not be able to click on it until you accept the agreement. Select I accept option, then click Next. The following screen will show the installation folder. ABSS Payroll will be installed to this folder on your computer. By default, this would be C, ABSS Payroll, followed by the version and country identifier. The version number may not be the same for you, depending on which version you are installing. In this tutorial we are installing version 11. If you wish to install it to a different folder, click on the Browse button. Then, navigate to, and select the drive or folder you wish to install to and select it. We recommend that you leave it at the default folder. When ready, click Next. Setup is now ready to begin installation. The installation process will take a few minutes. Click on Install to begin. Installation is now complete. On this screen, you can select to launch ABSS Payroll if you wish. Click Finish to complete the installation, and close the setup wizard. Once the installation is complete, you will see the ABSS Payroll shortcut on your desktop. To start using ABSS Payroll, double-click on this shortcut to launch it. You can also launch ABSS Payroll from your Windows Start menu. When ABSS Payroll starts, you will see the startup screen. Here, you have the option to open your existing payroll file, create a new payroll file, explore ABSS Payroll by using the sample file. When you install ABSS Payroll, PDF copies of user guides are saved to your computer. The next steps will show you where and how to access these guides. During installation, you were shown where ABSS Payroll would be installed on your computer. In Windows Explorer, locate that folder and open it. In the Payroll Application folder, open the Manuals folder. Here, you will find comprehensive guides that will take you step by step through the process of using ABSS Payroll. The user guide in particular covers everything from setting up to processing payroll. Congratulations! You have successfully installed ABSS Payroll and are now ready to start using it.